Good morning, students. Hope so you are happy and safe at home. Today we have to study our 8th class first topic, that is rational number. Before starting with this topic, we already have studied about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and fraction. The need to extend our number system arises when extend our number system arises when we divide two integers. Suppose, for example, we have to divide 2 by minus 3. It is written as 2 by minus 3. Then 2 by minus 3 is neither an integer nor a fraction. कि ये ना तो integer form है ना तो fraction form है. Such type of numbers are known as rational numbers. इस तरह के नंबर को हम कहते हैं rational numbers. So it means its definition, a rational number is a number that can be expressed as P by Q, where P and Q are both integer and Q is not equal to 0. For example, 4 by 7 is a rational number because it is in the form of P by Q, where P stands for numerator, that value is 4, and Q stands for denominator, that value is 7, and Q is not equal to 0. See here 7, which is not equal to 0. So we can say 4 by 7 is a rational number here. Now there are two types of rational numbers here. Number one, that is positive rationals. Positive rational, a word coming here positive, इससे क्लियर हो गया कि कुछ ना कुछ पॉजिटिव तो होना चाहिए. So a rational number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator are either positive or both negative. So are both positive or negative. For example 2 by 7 and minus 3 by minus of 8. I take these two examples. See, in this first rational number 2 by 7, both of P and Q are integers with positive sign. So this one is known as a positive rational number. See here, if I take here minus 3 and by minus 8, both are here negative integer, but when we cancel negative by negative here, then it become again a positive number, so it is also known as a positive rational So above this it is very clear that what is the meaning of positive rational number. Now question arises in mind, if this one is a positive rational number, then what about negative rationals? So it's very simple. Again, a rational number is said to be negative if its numerator and denominator are of opposite sign. Here is a new word, that is opposite. Opposite means both are not to be negative, both are not to be positive. It means either one should be here positive, one should be here negative sign. So for example, we can write this as, see, I took same example but with different sign. It is minus 2 by minus 7 and minus 2 by 7 are both negative rationals. Now after that, one note keep in your mind that as per the definition of rational number, this 0 can be expressed as 0 by 1 or 0 by minus 5, etc. So 0 is also a rational number. Now after that, next, standard form of a rational number. Standard form of a rational number. Now for making a standard form of rational number, a simple step here. A rational number P by Q is said to be in standard form if P and Q are integers having no common divisor other than 1 and Q is positive. So we can say it is written in the standard form. For example, 5 by 7. This number 5 by 7, numerator is 5, denominator is 7. In between of these two numbers, there is no common divisor other than 1. So we can say 5 by 7 is a standard form of a rational numbers. Now there are some properties of rational numbers. Properties of rational numbers. In this, number 1, if P by Q is a rational number, and n is a non-zero integer. Keep in mind, again a new word is coming, non-zero. It means कि n ऐसा कोई नंबर है जो जीरो नहीं है. Then P by Q will be written as P into n. N is any number upon Q into n. That is, keep in mind, these two n here should be same here, or we can write it is Pn by Qn here. For example, if I took P by Q is equal to 3 by 7 and the n values varies from 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Then we can write 3 by 7 or 3 by 7 will equal to 3 into 2 upon 7 into 2. Similarly 3 into 3 upon 7 into 3 equal to 3 into 4 into 7 into 4 and up to so on. If we multiply it, we get 3 to the 6 by 14, 9 by 21, 12 by 28 up to so on. And this one, these all are equal to each other, so such type of rational numbers are called equivalent rational numbers. Now second property, same second property here. If P by Q is a rational number and n is a non-zero integer, then P by Q is equal to P divided by n upon Q divided by n. Here again, for example, this will be very clear with example. Suppose you take a rational number minus 32 by 40. See these two rational numbers, minus 32 by 40. First of all, find the highest common factor between 32 and 40, that is 8. So this highest common factor 8 divided by minus 32 and 40 divided by 8 here. So we get minus 4 by 5 here. So again see here, minus 4 by 5. Now there is no common factor between them other than 1. So this one is also known as a standard form of a rational number. Now the third point or third property, if we have to compare two rational numbers, then what we will do here? Suppose two rational number, if we say two rational number, take here two rational number that P by Q and R by S are equal. टू रैशनल नंबर कब हम इक्वल कहेंगे? इफ द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई ऑफ P by Q and R by S are equal. It means P multiply with Q or P multiply with S and R multiply with Q here. For example, suppose we have to check here 2 by 7 and 4 by 14 are equal rational numbers or not? Equal rational numbers or not? For this, what we will do? Just take 2 by 7 both rational numbers and show here cross multiply symbol or sign and write over here by cross multiplication, that 2 multiply with 14 and 7 multiply with 4 here, that 28 or 28, both of these are equal to each other. So we can say 2 by 7 and 4 by 14 are equal rational numbers. So above from these three properties, we will do some questions here, but before that, again one note, keep in your mind that every positive rational number is greater than 0, and second, every negative rational number is less than 0 here. Now after that, take here one problem, that check which of the numbers 3 by minus 4 and minus 5 by 6 is greater. मीन टू से कि इन दो रैशनल नंबर में से कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है. सो फॉर दिस here solution. First we write each of the given number with positive denominator. Positive denominator means the denominator should be in positive form. So here one number that is 3 by minus 4 in which denominator is in negative form. So to make in positive form, what we will do, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with minus of 1. So what it become here, 3 into 1, it become 3, or as we know that the under multiplication plus minus become minus, or minus minus become plus, so it become here positive denominator here. And the other number is equal to minus 5 by 6. Now after that we have to compare it. So how to compare? See, very simple step. Take both of these number, minus 3 by 4 and minus 5 by 6 here. Now by cross multiply, take this right here over here, by cross multiplication. What we get? Minus 3 multiply with 6 and minus 5 multiply with 4. So minus 18, and here it become minus of 20. And we know that, see here, two numbers, minus 18 and minus 20 here. After we know that the negative value with smaller number is always greater, so we can say minus 18 is greater than minus of 20. It means we can say that is minus 3 by 4 greater than minus 5 by 6 here. So this is our comparison. But some students having some problem in this type of question. They said कि सर हम इस तरह भी तो इसको कर सकते हैं कि 3 by minus 4 minus 5 by 6 and do cross multiplication, then it become 18 and here it become 18. Now 20 is greater, but it is wrong here, because under comparison always one thing keep in your mind, that the denominator should be in positive form. So first of all you have to convert in denominator into positive form, then do by cross multiplication and you will get your answer. So this is the problem of two rational number. Think about that, when more than two rational numbers are given here, then what we will do? Again take one more example. Then such type of, suppose we have to compare minus 4 by 9, minus 5 by 12, minus 7 by 18 and minus 2 by 3 here. So for this, now 4 rational numbers are given here and we have to compare it. For such type of problem, what we will do, first of all, write these 4 numbers: minus 4 by 9, minus 5 by 12, minus 7 by 18, and minus 2 by 3. First of all, check is all the denominator in positive sign. So here it is possible, all the denominator in positive sign. Now take LCM. Take LCM of all the denominator, that is 9, 12, 18 and 3 here. And you people know how to take LCM. This one very easy. Write in this form. Firstly start from table 2 here. 2 9s are 2 6s are 2 9s are and 3s are here. Again on table 2, 2 9s are 2 3s are 9 as it is, 3 as it is. Now 3 table. 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Again goes on table 3. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 1s as it is. So LCM of these 9, 12, 18 and 3, that is the multiply all the these multiples here. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 here, that is equal to 36 here. Now write down this 36 as a whole in downside as a denominator. Now 36 divided by 9, we get 4, or 4 is multiplied with minus 4 right here. Again 36 divided by 12, we get it 3, and minus 5 multiplied with 3. Similarly here minus 7 multiplied with 2 and minus 2 multiplied with 12 here. Now multiply these. Minus 16 by 36, minus 15 by 36, minus 14 by 36 and minus 24 by 36. Now write down according to your wish, as in ascending order, in descending order. So right here compare the numerator and denominator and arrange in ascending order. So as we have to see here all the denominator are same, so no need to check, leave it this. Now after that, see here the numerator values are different here, and we know that the negative value with greater number always smaller. So write down minus 24 by 36 as first. Now after that minus 16, and right here lesser sign, minus 16 by 36 and less than minus 15 by 36 and less than minus 14 by 36 here. And now see here minus 24 by 36, this one comes from minus 2 by 3. So in place of minus 24 by 36, you have to write minus 2 by 3. Again minus 16 by 36, this one comes from minus 4 by 9. Similarly minus 5 by 12, minus 7 by 8. So in this way we have to compare rational number if they are giving here more than 2. Now on basis of that you have to do this assignment number 1A, and I will meet you tomorrow with new topic. And stay home, stay safe, be happy.